What have you got, Johnny?
Mate, show us.
Some Bose noise cancelling headphones 700. Let's open them up.
So you just went to the launch?
I went to the launch.
How was it?
They gave us a demo. It was cool. Amazing spot at the Ivy Penthouse. Here it is.
I like these. I like this a lot.
It's a nice case, isn't it?
What do you reckon? You got the black ones? I hope you got the black
We'll
ones.
see. It was black and silver, obviously.
Oh.
Silver.
They're pretty slick, aren't they?
Here we go.
Oof. I kind of like the boxiness though, like of the originals. What do you think? Do you like the design or?
I do. This is really cool. The way it slides up and down here.
That is cool. That's slick, isn't it?
And
It's
angles
really
in.
nice and
So it's also got touch controls. That just order here, so you can go up, volume down.
just on the side
On
of
the
the
side
thing.
of the
There's
thing,
not
yeah.
actually.
No, so
Yeah,
you can
wow.
like song back forward.
Yeah, cool.
Are
they comfortable?
This case apparently has like is magnetic and has storage in here as well for cables, which is cool. So you get a
So what do you get?
3.5 mil cable and
USB-C.
USB-C.
Is that to charge?
Yep.
Yeah. Do you get an adapter for planes?
No. That was actually a big talking point in the
Yeah,
presentation.
that's-
Everyone was like, "Where's the adapter?" And he's like, we don't want people to think these are just for travelling and flights." And I was
But
like, "We'll just
that's
add the
wild.
adapter in." I know.
Yeah.
Anyway, everyone else seems to add them, but interesting call from Bose.
Yeah.
Battery life, 20 hours in noise cancelling mode, and 40 hours in non-noise cancelling mode if you're plugged in.
Yeah, right. You've got the QC35 too.
I do, yeah.
Yeah. And what are your first opinions between the differences between the two? Are there any?
The voice call, like if you're calling people,
Yeah.
and the virtual assistant stuff like Siri and
Yeah.
Google Home is a big difference. Aside from that, not a huge amount. From my brief encounter, don't think they're as comfortable. You can tap the different buttons and you can have like zero noise cancelling, which is meant to be the same equivalent of like you not having headphones on.
Yeah.
So you can hear like exactly the same
Yeah.
amount of volume.
How do I do that?
I can't remember. I'll figure it out. And then there's 5, which is mid noise cancelling, and there's 10, which is 100% noise cancelling.
Oh, there you go. 5. Okay, we're at 5 now.
5.
So hit it again.
What are you at now?
Oh, whoa! Now it's 0. That's so
Yeah,
weird.
isn't it?
That's
So there's no noise cancelling at all. It feels like it's meant to be so you don't have to take your headphones off to talk to people.
Yeah.
You just press the button, 0, and you're
Again, the only time I really feel like this is probably necessary is when you're on a plane and they come around for service and they're like, "What do you want off the menu?" And you,
Yeah.
you don't have to take your headphones off. You just bang
there. Alright, so here's the Bose Music app. Let's get it set up.
Alright.
Let's do a test with the phone call, because the phone call it's hard to describe just how impressive the phone quality is.
Alright.
The quality is incredible. It cuts out all background noise. So this thing has 8 microphones in it.
Yep.
4 at the back, 4 at the front.
Yep.
So the front, apparently, this is what my understanding of the presentation, the front picks up your voice. The front 2 of them picks up your voice. 2 of them are picking up external noises and cancelling it out. And the back 4 are all about getting rid of background noise
That's cool.
as well.
That's really
and
cool.
it shuts everything out.
Alright, chuck them on. Go down the street. Go for a little walk.
And I'll FaceTime you.
FaceTime me and I'll bring it up on the computer.
All right.
Yo, there it is.
Yo, can you hear me?
Yeah, pretty well as well. It's actually quite good.
Not much background noise. I'm just walking. It's pretty bloody windy down here.
Sweet.
All right. Well, I'll come back to the office now and check the footage.
I like the case.
Case is nice. And the storage space. The other one in the QZ35s, there's no room to put anything really.
Yeah.
This you can put your cables in.
Nice.
Zips up, and apparently it's more slimline, which makes it easy to slide into the back of an aeroplane seat.
Good.
So it'll go like noise cancelling 0 or 5.
Noise cancellation 5.
Now to go to 0, press it again. So now it feels like you just
Yeah, that's
no headphones
crazy.
on, which is pretty cool.
It's weird, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it's
It's like it's pumping noise back into your ear.
yeah. Oh man, I reckon the actual audio quality has stepped up as well.
Yeah.
There's like more bass.
Yeah.
Crank it.
We
Can
were
you crank
asking.
him?
We were asking the product guy today, and he was like, "It's very hard to say that the quality's improved because sound quality is very subjective." So, you know.
I found with the old ones as well. I've got like the pair of the ones before. You
Yeah.
can't crank the shit out of them. How high can you go on these? Do they like
I'll go
allow
high-
more
I'll go high as
amplitude?
you want. Is it playing? The music going?
Go up, go as high as
That's
you
high
can.
as it goes.
Is that close highest? Yeah, same.
Yeah.
It's good, but
You don't want it too much louder than that, or you come long term
Yeah, you fuck yourself up after a while, wouldn't it?
Sick.
Yeah, mad. Sick.
Yeah,
Epic.
man. Fucking hell.